This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle, walking around the car corral. I stumbled across this really sweet little 61 Ranchero. These are just such cool little cars. After the slight hiatus with the Ford, and they bumped it down to the smaller chassis of the Ranchero. This one's complete restoration except upholstery, original 6-cylinder 3-speed on the column. Let's see. I'm going to tell you what they're asking afterwards. Let's play the game here. Look at that upholstery. Is that cool? Neat. Got the spare tire in the rear. See, you actually have quite a bit of room in the back of the seat. Very simple. Dash. I think this car even has a manual choke. I cannot quite spot it. But these things were so basic, it was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Interesting with the gold interior on the red exterior. The box looks good. Just a pretty little truck. Now Falcon set all sorts of sales records on introduction. This is just one of the many variations. Because they also had the two-door wagon, so the Ranchero was a natural outbreak of the line. It's just such a pretty little car. I'll be out of your way in a few moments. Very nicely done. Bodywork looks decent. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Now, how much do you think they're asking? Okay, $14,500 asking. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle, walking around the car corral. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.